Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ruthie.D.analyst and I'm so glad you're here. In today's Excel tutorial, we are going to explore three powerful tools which are sorting, grouping, and subtotal. This feature can completely transform the way you organize and analyze your data. Whether you're working with sales reports, inventory lists, or customer data, by the end of this video, you will know how to make your spreadsheets cleaner, more organized, and way more insightful. So, if you're ready to turn your raw data into something meaningful, grab your Excel sheet and let's jump right in. So, let's start with sorting. So, we have our data here. We have our data here. So, in Excel, sorting is a process of arranging data in a specific order, either alphabetically, numerically, or by date within a worksheet or a table. So in this worksheet, we have our data here. So this sorting will help us organize this data for easier analysis, filtering, and understanding the data. Like I said earlier, you can sort data based on one or more columns, and you can also choose to sort in ascending, that is smallest to largest, or A to Z, or in descending order, that is largest to smallest, or Z to A. So we have different ways that we can sort our data. We can sort our data by sorting our sheets, and we can also sort by custom sort, and we also have the add level sort. So whichever one you want to use, you can use everything. So let's dive into our sorting. So let's start with sorting. Like I said, sorting help you rearrange your data based on specific columns, either in ascending or descending order. So for example, we have our numbers here: first name, last name, payment method, and t-shirt size. For example, let's sort this last name by sheet. I said we can sort data by sheet, our worksheet, sort data by custom sort, and add level sorting. So let's sort by sheet. So this last name, you can see it is not arranged alphabetically, and if we want to sort it, we can either right click and go to sort. You see sort A to Z, Z to A, or you can come to the data tab and you see sort A to Z or Z to A. So it depends on whichever one you want to click on. So now we want to sort this last name column. So we go to the data type. When we click on this A to Z, you see it changes. So it is sorted now. You can see A comes first before B. So it has already sorted this column alphabetically. So that is sorting by worksheet. So let's come to this our t-shirt size. Let's say we want to sort it by from small, medium, I think we have large, and we have extra large. So we want to sort this t-shirt size by this order: small, medium, large, extra large. So for us to be able to sort this column like that, we will make use of the custom sort. So we'll click on this our column, then we go to the data tab and come to this sort. Once we click on it, a dialog box appears, and you can see sort by. So we are working with the t-shirt size. So we click on t-shirt and we come to this order. So this order, you can see custom list. Once you click on this custom list, this dialog box also appears. So now we said we want to sort this column by small, medium, large, and extra large. So we're going to type it here. We're going to make our entries here. Small, medium, large, and extra large. So after making your list entry, you click on add. So once you click on add, you see your list already in the custom list. Then you click OK. OK. So can you see our t-shirt size has been sorted alphabetically? You can see the small, the medium, the large, and the extra large. So in a case whereby you have a very big a very large data set, so you will have to use this method of sorting your data so that you can be able to read your sheet well. Like I said, whether you're working with sales reports, inventory lists, or customer data, by the end of this video you definitely know how your spreadsheet works and more organized. So we can see our t-shirt size. So now you can see that these numbers are not arranged alphabetically based on this t-shirt size that we've arranged. So for the t-shirt size, these are the numbers we have. These are the numbers, like the code number for the t-shirt size small. This is the code number for the medium size. So for us to be able to arrange the number alphabetically based on the t-shirt size, that is where our add level sorting comes in. Our add level sorting comes in. So let me highlight it so that you can understand what we're talking about. So you can see for medium, so you can see that this is not sorted, and also this is not sorted. You can see it is not arranged. So now we want to sort the numbers based on our t-shirt size we already used. So I'm just highlighting this for you to be able to know and understand what we're actually doing here. So for the t-shirt size, these are the numbers. Medium, these are the numbers. So let's sort the numbers according to the t-shirt size we did. So we come to the data tab, come to the sort. So we already have sort by t-shirt size, that is small, medium, large, and extra large. So we said we want to sort the numbers based on the t-shirt size. So this is where our add level sorting comes in. Then we click on add level. Once we click on add level, you see another list of sorting. They say then by, then you come to this drop down list and click home room. So from home room, we can say smallest to largest. Then, or we can say from A to Z. It depends. So let's click smallest to largest and click OK. So once we do that, you can see our homeroom has been sorted. This comes before this. So you can see our medium has also been sorted, our large has been sorted, and our extra large has been sorted. So I hope this helps, and by the end of this video you'll be able to know how to organize your data set. So let's move to grouping. So grouping is a great way to collapse or expand the section of your data, especially in large spreadsheets. If you have a large spreadsheet, grouping can help you. It is the ability to organize rows or columns in logical section, allowing you to hide or show specific parts of your worksheet to reveal details or summary. So for example, let's say we want to just see our homeroom, the number, and the t-shirt size, and you don't want to see the first name, last name, and payment method. You can easily just hide this this place by using grouping. Once you click on group, once you click on group, this appears, and you click on the minus sign, you can see it has been grouped. Then you can now see that, okay, for 105 you can see 105 small, 105 small, 13. So you can see the numbers of the size of your t-shirt size. So that is how grouping works. So grouping helps keep your data organized by grouping related information together, making it easier to navigate and understand your spreadsheet. So if you want to ungroup it, you just click and you can come to this ungroup. Then you click on ungroup, click on the column because we grouped our columns, and click OK. So it has been ungrouped. So next, let's dive into our subtotal. Subtotal lets this feature summarizes your data by category. Summarizes your data by category, showing total, average, counts, and more. So subtotal calculation, it calculates the range of numbers that are then added together, often forming of a total that can be added to other totals to create a grand total. So this can be done using the subtotal function. So let's say we want to know our t-shirt size, each of the sizes, we want to know how many amount is left. So we can make use of the subtotal. Subtotal helps you summarize data within groups, allows users to see a breakdown of total within a large data set. So I didn't mean this data set I'm using is very, very, very large. So we'll make use of the subtotal to know which amount or how many. This subtotal also works with grouping. Yes, and it also works with aggregate functions. What are aggregate functions? Like our sum, count, max, like that, and so on. So for us to be able to use our subtotal, you see, you come to this data tab, then you locate your outline group. We have each groups in different tabs. So you locate your outline and come to this subtotal. You see a dialog box appears. So this dialog box that appears, say at each change in, so we are working with the t-shirt size. So at each change in t-shirt size, then use function, you come to this drop down list. Like I said, subtotal works with aggregate function. So what do you want it to do? Do you want it to count each of the sizes, or do you want it to sum, or do you want to know the average, or do you want to know the max? So let's work with count. So at each change in our t-shirt size, we want to use the function count. So we want to know the amount of small size we have, amount of medium size we have, and so on. So add subtotal to our t-shirt size. So is our t-shirt size, we want to know the subtotal. So then we click OK, and you see. So for the small, we have 8 left. For the medium, we have 10 left. For the large, we have 5 left. And for the extra large, we have 4 left. So for you to be able to see, okay, I just want to see only the count. Like I said, subtotal works with grouping. As you can see by our left hand side, once you click on 1, you see only the grand total. We have our total of all the old t-shirt sizes are 27. So once you click on this 2, you can see to show the small count, the medium count, the large count, the extra large count, and the grand total count. So once you click on this 3, it brings everything out. And that's it. You've just learned how to sort, group, and add subtotal in Excel. These 3 powerful ways to clean up your data and pull out meaningful insights. So if you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future Excel and data analytics tips. Let me know in the comments what Excel features you'd love to learn next, and I'll make it happen. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.